don't know what kind of nonsense I'm in for here, but he's watering us down.
All right, we got the water down.
Yeah, right. You think you're getting second? Yes. I forgot about that part of the thing where you can't fucking see. Yeah. You having issues with the shifter or something? Oh. Clean. I love that shifter. It's the best one they ever made. Remember guys, take the windshield out of your turbocharged Civic immediately, or Integra, either one. Reverse lucky? No mercy, reversing. It's up to you. I don't care. Hit the chip. I don't think that wiring job's holding up too well.
I couldn't see a fucking thing. Not a damn thing, dude.
Dang.
How much did she make there?
Like 20 pounds.
Really?
Yeah.
That felt pretty sporty. That felt pretty sporty.
As you guys can see, it is all together now for the most part. I mean, we're missing some windows and stuff, but it's pretty early in the year, so he's getting all that buttoned up, and we'll have this thing out racing soon. But today, we're finally going to take it out and cruise it around, hopefully get it tuned up pretty good. It already runs pretty decent, but definitely a lot to be had. This thing's pretty serious now. It's on a stock transmission still. That's kind of the only limiting factor right now, really. It's just
transmission and axles.
Yeah, the axles. We won't break those out here, but once it comes racetrack time, it might be an issue for sure.
Yeah.
Certainly the transmission, but yeah, we're gonna go take it out, so we'll see what we get into. strong in third. Pretty good. Dude, the turbo hits hard. That thing's good.
I rolled into that.
Yeah. Knocked the tire right off of it. That's a whole 24 pounds in third and 27 in fourth. Absolute unit, guys. Look at that. Staying nice and cool. Oil pressure's probably there.
What the hell's that doing there?
Oh, get that down. Can you?
There, that's more where we want.
That's what we need, yeah. Yeah. We need that when you're like ripping it though.
Like 7,800 RPM, you want like 17.
Yeah, 17.8.
Yeah.
You want to match it, so
You just dropped the last two digits.
So at 9,000, you want 1.9 or 19 psi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
19.0.
Yeah,
So you just move the digit, or you move the decimal over.
and add a 1 to the front.
Yeah.
Yeah. 9 psi is fine for like street engines, but for a race engine like this,
For a serious
You
cruise like
need
this
nine.
with an NRT steering.
yeah. Oh, well, the whole column's loose too. That's clean. Freaking street car here, guys. I might just air out the chute. Oh,
You're
great.
able to shoot or put down the sun visor. Which
True.
one is it?
Yep, it's a street car. You can do both. It's even got a mirror.
Yep.
Here, hold on. I need to look at myself. Oh, clean. It works for that. Clean. Well, it was bumpy, but it worked.
Yeah.
Wow, that was like really close for just like guessing at it.
Pulling it out of your oars.
Yep.
It's flashing right
Yeah, it'll do that. It comes on at 40.
now. Oh, okay.
So normally that light's only supposed to come on when it's actually spinning, but because you don't have rear wheel speed, it's always spinning.
Okay.
And the only way that it cuts is based off of how fast the RPM's climbing, the RPM derivative.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty cool that you can do that.
Yeah. It's a little trick I learned from a guy I know. Got that traction control tuned up. That worked really good. Too bad that road was bumpier than shit. That's what's gonna break your fucking transmission. Yeah. When it does that, you should just kick the clutch like in sync with the bumps so that it unloads it, so that
I'm gonna do this.
it'll be easier on the transmission. Whoa, we got a little road course action going on. Clean. That's what the traction control's for. It's so that you can get around them turns quickly. Yeah. Yep. See? See, it's locked in. It's locked in. Hooks up real good in the corners.
Flip your mirror into night mode.
Oh, true.
Sun visors down.
True.
Maybe you want to turn these on.
Oh, golly. Yeah. So that you know where the chute handle is. Of course. What a freaking unit that is.
It's not a smooth road around these parts.
Well, your suspension isn't exactly the most absorbent thing in the world.
Yeah. It's on a pair of fucking blocks.
CKS.
True. What a unit. We didn't even blow it up. That's incredible. Well, just driving herself back into the shop with only a slight oil leak. We got her diaper down. It's a little fucking loud. Football. We need to get some dang winders in this vehicle. Dude, you hardly even notice it when we're cruising around. It's like, it's not even an issue. Glass where you need it, the lightest windows where you don't.
All glass, all steel.
Oh, true. There's no Lexan in this vehicle. What a freaking unit. All right, guys. Well, I think that's going to do it for now. I don't know what we're doing with it next, but
We're gonna hire a cleanup crew at the track to just follow us around.
yeah.
Try to drag them off like this and think it's gonna actually get oil up off the track.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably going to call it there for now. Hopefully we'll be at the track in the next one, or maybe doing some kind of street shenanigans. I don't know. We still got a little while. We've got a couple things left to do on here, and I mean, it's definitely not turned up by any means. So that'll do it for now. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later.